Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study basic electronics engineering. Start with the absolute basics of electronics. Grasping core concepts like voltage, current, and resistance is crucial. These are the building blocks for everything else. Dive into Ohm's law, which describes their relationship, and Kirchhoff's laws for analyzing more complex circuits. Get to know common components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Understanding their functions is your first step toward building and troubleshooting electronic systems. Next, expand your component knowledge to include transistors, integrated circuits, and light-emitting diodes. These are vital for creating functional devices. Equip yourself with essential tools, starting with a multimeter to measure voltage, current, and resistance precisely. Practice soldering to make strong, lasting connections. Breadboards are invaluable for quickly prototyping and testing your circuit designs without permanent connections, allowing for easy modifications. Now, let's delve into circuit design and analysis. Differentiate between series and parallel circuits, understanding how current and voltage behave in each. Explore both alternating current and direct current systems, recognizing their unique applications. Mastering the ability to read circuit schematics and component datasheets is essential for proper design. Before building, use simulation software to test your designs virtually, saving time and resources. Finally, put your knowledge into practice with hands-on projects. Start with simple builds, perhaps an LED flasher or a small audio amplifier, to solidify your understanding. Develop troubleshooting skills by systematically identifying and fixing circuit issues. As you progress, consider exploring microcontrollers such as Arduino for more complex and interactive designs. Remember, continuous experimentation and learning from every project, successful or not, is key to mastering electronics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.